Hi everyone, good evening. I J Sunita. Again, I'm back to explain few important questions of previous AIMS paper. Okay, in that the first question you can see, and already we have discussed so many questions in previous class. Okay, so let's continue with that questions. And the question number 27. So here, question you can see, which involves the introduction of antibodies in the body from an animal or person already immune to the disease. Okay, the answer is artificial acquired passive immunity, which involves the introduction of antibodies into the body from an animal or person already immune to the body. Nothing but here what they asked, just transformation of antibodies from immune person to non-immune person, and that process or what type of immunity we can call. Why? Because that is artificial one, and that is a passive. Okay, directly we are not directly the person not getting immunity, and naturally the person not getting immunity, indirectly and artificially the person getting immunity. So that's why this transfer of antibodies into the body from the immune person is called artificial acquired passive immunity. And here we know that immunity of two types, that is innate immunity and adaptive or acquired immunity, and most of the questions they will ask from this adaptive or acquired immunity. Okay, and here you can see this acquired immunity is again classified into two types, active immunity and passive immunity. Okay, so for example you see, if we got immunity power from the infection, or if we achieve the immunity power from the infection, so that is the natural active. Or if you're increasing your immunity power through the vaccination, or if you are getting immunity power through the vaccination, that is called artificial active. And uh, if the person getting immunity from the mother, so that is passive natural. If the person getting immunity from the antibodies transformation, so that is called passive artificial. Okay, then next second question you can see, what is that? Type 1 hypersensitivity mediated by, and all we know that hypersensitivity reactions is divided into or classified into four types: type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. And in that they asked the question, type 1 of hypersensitivity mediated by, the answer is IgE antibodies, right? Okay, so here type 1 mediated by IgE or mast cell, type 2 hypersensitivity reaction mediated by IgG or IgM mediated, and type 3 mediated by excess production of immune complexes or impaired clearance of them. And not only that, type 4. Okay, so type 4 hypersensitivity reaction mediated by T cells or macrophages. The next question, rod shape bacteria also called rod shape bacteria are called bacillus. Okay, and round shape bacteria we call coccus, right? And we know that so many types based on shape, so many types of bacteria there: comma shape bacteria, spiral shape bacteria, and coca. If the bacteria is in spherical as well as rod shape, so then we can call coccobacillus. The next one, IgM. True about the IgM. Immunoglobulin M. So the immunoglobulin M, when we exposed to the infection, so whatever immune response generated in our body starting immune response. Okay, the first immune response which is generating in our body is because of IgM. And not only that, immunoglobulin M is also called largest immunoglobulin. And next question, who is the father of sociology? Auguste Comte. All we know that Auguste Comte is the father of sociology, and he is the founder of sociology also. And next question, as per the 2011 census survey, dash percent of population suffer from the disability. How much? 2.21 percent of population suffer from the disability. Okay, the next question, which of the following is not a stage of socialization? Do you know the stages of socialization? I give the piece of advice to remember: one assembly or last assembly. So oral stage, anal stage, oedipal stage, latency stage, and adolescent stage. Okay. Here, once you look out, here no dispersed stage. So dispersed stage is not related to socialization, right? Okay. Then next question. Caste status is an example of following status. Is caste status is a achieved status or ascribed status or monetary status? Okay, the answer is ascribed status. Why? Because by birth we will get the caste from our parents. Okay, by birth we are achieving that, so that's why that is called the ascribed status. So whatever status we are getting by birth, that is called ascribed status. Achieved status is in our hand. So we, after keeping our efforts, we used to get that status, so that is called achieved status. We are achieving, we are getting that, personally we are getting that status, like job, grades, one position in society. Okay. And one more status also say, that is called monetary status. Monetary status is nothing but based on the economic based on the economical power, the person get the status, like high stage, like high class people, low class people, middle class people. Thank you.